Section 27 wants the 2 teachers who were found guilty of common assault after beating 2 children to face new hearings. The organization also wants that disciplinary hearings include a more child-centered approach, which will allow the learners and their parents to make representations and participate. They have submitted that the children's rights have been infringed and that the High Court is not in line with the Constitution. Both teachers were fined and their names removed from the educator's role, which was also suspended for 10 years. Section 27 also wants the decisions against the 2 teachers to be set aside and sent back to SACE for reconsideration.
The High Court judgment urged in first resubmit not paying heed to the settled law on this point, but also resubmit in adopting an interpretation of Section 7.1 of PAJA, which is inconsistent with the text. Justice Fourie, His Lordship Mr. Justice Fourie, interpreted Section 7.1 as having 2 trigger dates. There's unreasonable delay, which is triggered as soon as the decision is taken and the appellants are informed. And then the 180 days, which he accepted, can only begin to run once reasons are provided or ought reasonably to be known.
SACE has argued that it was justified in sanctions it applied against the 2 teachers. It has also told the court that SACE acted within the law. Advocate Matthews Mujapelo rejected Section 27's argument that the 2 teachers received lenient sanctions and argued that the teachers have served their punishment and lawfully cannot be punished twice.
As it is, our submission is that they have served their sentence. For the court to entertain the review proceedings and to give them another hearing, it is what in the criminal law is usually called an issue of double jeopardy. A person cannot serve a sentence and then go back to be tried again on the same issue.
Section 27 says SACE allowed the teachers back into the classroom, though it should have considered whether it was necessary for them to undergo rehabilitation or retraining to address their violent behavior. Section 27 argues that the SACE Act is broad enough to allow it to impose sanctions, which could have included, for example, anger management, ongoing monitoring, or training in non-violent discipline techniques. Judgment is reserved. Aphumelele Mdalane, SABC News, Bloemfontein.